Cladco is the leading manufacturer of steel roofing sheets in the UK. Our 32 by 1000 box profile sheets are available in both 0.5mm and 0.7mm sheet thicknesses for both side cladding and roofing applications. Box profile roofing sheets come with PVC Plastisol, Polyester Paint or plain Galvanised Coatings made precisely to order. The operator inputs the specific sheet length and quantity on the machine and to the customer's exact requirements. Sheets are formed from coils of multi-layered pre-coated steel with each one weighing up to 5 tons. Coils are moved into place onto a metal bed using an overhead gantry crane. Sheets are then fed into the roll forming machine to begin the process. At this stage, drip stop membrane can be applied to the underside of the sheets if selected by the customer. Drip stop's felt membrane is an anti-condensation layer for roofing installations in buildings with plenty of ventilation. The roll forming process creates the central profile first, followed by the second and outer profiles to form the full 32 by 1000 profile. And by doing it this way, the structural integrity of the profile is protected throughout the roll forming process. Compared to 34 by 1000 box profile, this profile has a shallower profile height. This profile features 2 ribs that run along the flat sections of the profile, enhancing its design. Steel sheeting is then fed through the guillotine and cut to the desired length. The order is then stacked and a top sheet is put in place to protect the surface of the sheets, where the order is now ready for collection or delivery.